Welcome to Berry Life, bringing you easy and delicious recipes every week. On today's episode, we're making orange tofu. The orange sauce for this recipe has its origin in the Hunan province of China, where the dish is made with orange or tangerine peels with chili peppers, and is typically served with crispy chicken. The recipe we're making today uses fresh orange juice and orange zest, and it's going to be vegan. So let's get started. For this recipe, we'll need a block of extra firm tofu, along with cornstarch to fry the tofu with, and for a slurry to thicken the sauce, a spoonful of oil, soy sauce for the tofu and orange sauce, white vinegar, brown sugar, garlic, ginger, and red chili flakes. Toasted sesame oil, a little bit of water, a couple of oranges for the juice and zest, along with the optional sesame seeds for garnish. If you're new to this channel, glad you could join us. Hit that subscribe button and join our community of foodies. Also be sure to like this video, leave a comment, and share it with your friends and family. And click on that bell icon for future upload notifications. We'll start by cutting the tofu into small cubes. Firm tofu works best for this recipe as it doesn't fall apart. One block should yield about 20 pieces, each piece being about 3/4 of an inch. With the tofu cut, we'll lightly dust a mixing bowl with cornstarch. This will prevent the tofu from sticking to the bottom. Now we'll go ahead and transfer all the tofu pieces to the bowl and top it off with about 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. Remember to save a spoonful of cornstarch for the slurry. Now we'll toss the tofu and coat all sides with cornstarch. The less we touch the tofu, the better. Now we'll add oil along with the soy sauce. We're only going to use 2 tablespoons here, leaving the other 2 tablespoons for the orange sauce. Gently combine and coat all tofu sides with the batter. We're using an air fryer to fry the tofu. We've added a parchment paper to the bottom of the air fryer bucket to prevent batter from dripping through, to which we'll now transfer the tofu. You can do this in a conventional oven as well at 425 degrees Fahrenheit and cook it for 30 minutes. However, with the air fryer, we're going to set the temperature to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and cook it for only 15 minutes. While the tofu is air frying, we'll go ahead and extract 1 cup of orange juice from the oranges. And we'll save the orange peels for the zest. It's been 15 minutes, so let's go ahead and check on the tofu. Like music to our ears. The tofu is crispy on the outside and soft and chewy on the inside. With the tofu fried and the oranges squeezed, we can put the recipe together. Heat a wok over medium-high heat and add some sesame oil. Allow the sesame oil to heat up, and then add the garlic, ginger, and red chili flakes, and then saute for 1 to 2 minutes. This will allow the oil to be infused with their flavors. Then add the orange juice, the remaining 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, brown sugar, the white vinegar, the orange zest. We're adding about 2 teaspoons because we like that intense orange flavor. Now we'll stir and bring everything to a light boil. Once boiling, we'll add our cornstarch slurry. This will help thicken the sauce and give it that restaurant shine. At about this point, your entire kitchen is going to smell like oranges. The sauce has thickened nicely, and it's bubbling. So now we're ready to add the tofu. With the tofu added, we don't need to cook for long. We just want to coat all the pieces with this amazing sauce. That looks good. Now we'll just sprinkle in some sesame seeds for a nice crunch. And turn off the heat. That's it, the orange tofu is done. Doesn't that look amazing? Today we're enjoying this tofu with some brown rice and steamed broccoli. For the full recipe, check out the video description below. There you have it, orange tofu, right in the comfort of your own home. Way better than the restaurant because we made it ourselves. Grateful to the Chinese cuisine that came up with this delicious dish. It's sweet and savory, packed with a fruity punch from the orange zest and a little bit of heat from the chili flakes. Hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you like this recipe, give it a thumbs up and let us know in the comments below. Remember to share with your friends and family and spread the love. And let them know to subscribe to help support this channel. If you try this recipe, be sure to tag us on Instagram at BerryBerryLife. We'd love to hear from you. Thank you for watching and enjoy!